If you've ever struggled reversing your motorhome, caravan or trailer, then this video could save you one heck of a lot of stress, maybe even very expensive repair. Today I'm testing the Auto-Vox Solar 5 twin wireless camera system to find out if it really is as easy to install as they claim, whether it actually works on larger vehicles and if it's worth your hard-earned money. With no complicated wiring, solar powered cameras and a setup that takes just minutes, this could be one of the best upgrades you can make before your next trip. So let's get it fitted and see if it lives up to the hype. Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Abroad Yorkshire. Something totally different for you today. It's all about this here, look. I'm going to show you something and I'm going to show you something different. Have a look how tight it is to get onto my drive, and then when I show you I'll explain more and more about video. Have a look at this. So if you look down there, I can't open my mirrors, alright, so I have to reverse, totally blind. You know what I mean? I have to fold my mirrors in. Same on that side. And same on this side to get it right down. You know what I mean? So it's really, really tight. But I have a solution, and I've had this right from day one. I use these brackets here, look. See these little brackets? I have these brackets here, and I've got some cameras that go on here, some Auto-Vox cameras. So I use them, and happy days. So I stick one of them on each side on bracket. I'm going to stick it on that bracket, and I'm going to show you how I reverse in. And then when I've showed you, it'll make more sense why I'm showing you this video. And jobs are good. And so let me just plug it in. Look. So what I do is when I'm reversing on, I sort of jump over. And then I just sort of hang out, fold my mirror in, and then put it on like that. Like that. You see, can you see that now? I sort of fold it on and put it on the side of my mirror like that. And between there and this post here, there's about 15mm gap. Can you see that? I don't know if you can make that out, but I can see straight down the side at van. Absolutely brilliant. And it's been absolutely invaluable this to get on and off at drive, because it's really, really tight, but it has worked because I'm having to reverse with no mirrors. The reverse camera on the motorhome itself is all right, but obviously you can't see everything that you need to see, and it's really, really hard to judge. So why am I showing you these? Like I've said, been absolutely invaluable, Auto-Vox. Now, Auto-Vox have reached out to me and they've sent me some other cameras, and I'm going to show you some upgraded ones. And I'll tell you for why in a second. Let me just go behind Motorhome and I'll show you the reason why I need some more. So it's because of this, look. So if you've been watching the channel since the midlife crisis one, you know we bought one of these. We bought a Debon trailer, as you do, and as you can see, it's pretty tight on this side, not as tight as Motorhome, you know what I mean? But getting this on and off drive, as well as Motorhome here, it's a bit of a squeeze, you know what I mean? It's a bit of a squeeze. So I'm going to jump back in cab and I'll show you the view from the reverse camera that's already built into the Motorhome, and you see the problem that I'm having, because you can't see anything up back here. So I'll jump in and I'll show you. It makes more sense. So back in Motorhome, as you can hear, engine started. I'm going to show you the view from my rear view mirror, or my reversing cam that's on the Motorhome itself. There you go, we can pick that up. That's the only perspective I've got. So that's from a rear view. As you can see, I can see front of the trailer itself. And if I put it in reverse, obviously that's all I can see. I can't see the hitch or anything. You see down here, because of the bike rack, I can't see anything. So when I'm towing on the motorways or anything like that, all I can see is the front of the trailer, and it's really, really poor. So I can't see a little thing, I can't see anything. So that's why I've got these. It's the Auto-Vox S5 Solar. Absolutely perfect. So it's to come in this box here. I'm going to take it out and I'll show you just how easy it is to install this. Now I'm going to do it in real time. I'm going to keep the camera running, and this is how easy it is to set up. It's the quickest, easiest reverse camera system you are ever going to come across, and it's perfect for boats, it's perfect for motorhomes, caravans, trailers, you name it. If you've got it, you tow it. This is the ultimate camera system for you. It's wireless, it's self-charging, job is a good one. Look at this. So literally straight out of the box, if I can open this up with one hand. Okay, this is it. Bang, job's a good one. So I've got, pull that out. And inside, I'm going to show you a little bit echoey because we're inside the trailer. Doing this with one hand, I'm going to undo that. Inside there we have the screen, which I'll show you in more detail. I'll show you all this in more detail in a minute. Get the screen out. You've seen the other ones mounted already in the motorhome, but I'm going to show you all this lot in a bit more detail. So I've got the twin camera system, as you do. This is one camera, as you do. Comes with a sticky back pad on the back, magnetic, so that will come off. I'll show you now, look. Oh, it says that's really strong magnet, so that's the bracket that sticks to the back. That's magnetic, but in my case, and your case more than likely as well, you've seen how quick it is to open the box. How easy is it to install? Well, I'll show you. You do that, bang, done. You're installed. That is literally it, boys and girls. That is literally it. You take it out of the box, you stick it on, and job's a good one. I'm going to take it all out and we'll go inside and we'll show you things in a little bit more detail. So let's dive in and take a look what's actually included in the box. Then I'll go through some of the different scenarios that I'll be using these cameras for, because they're absolutely brilliant. And the good thing about them is because they are wireless, they don't have to be fitted on the vehicle. You can use them absolutely anyway, so you can take them off and use them in different scenarios and it'll still pick it up to 500 yards away, so it's absolutely brilliant. So first of all, as you can see, inside the box itself, this is your main box that it comes when it's packaged. Inside you have your main hard case, which is brilliant, so everything gets stored in here. Absolutely fantastic. You get your screen and an extension cable. Now this extension cable has got an on-off button as well, so they've got like a self timer so you don't use all your battery up. So if you're traveling along for a long distance, for example, the cameras will shut down and all you do is you press your button once and it'll come back on. So absolutely fantastic on that front. You also get a cigarette charger as well if you want to use that, which has got an extra USB inside. I don't know if you can see that. So that's really good. So you can put that straight into your cigarette charger. Happy days if you don't have a USB in your vehicle. If you do, just use your other cable. And job is a good one. You get your little card and your instructions as well, standard. And you get two angled brackets as well. So depending on your application, these brackets can be mounted and then it'll give some extra angle. So for example, if some vehicles, if it doesn't bend down your camera, because these cameras here, look, they bend down, you can angle them. But if you need it even further down, you can use one of these brackets. Does that make sense? You see how that's magnetic? So you can put one of them brackets on and it'll go even further down. So these magnets are really strong. So there's two of those, two cameras. Like I said, the cameras are magnetic on the back. They're really strong. So you've got your angled brackets there. If you've got a metal backing, shall we say, on your vehicle like I have on the trail, you can just stick that straight on like you saw earlier on in video and it's absolutely fantastic. If you don't, they come with these metal brackets as well. So these have got like a sticky pad, 3M pad on the back, really strong. You can just put that wherever you want it, and as you see, it's really strong. And now I've tried these going down the road, they do not come off. They're absolutely really brilliant, really strong. So that's good. So you get your two cameras as well. You get your dashboard mount, flexible dashboard mount for your screen. So that can go on, you can lock it into all different positions, and that's sort of flexible, sort of mould to the size and the shape of your screen, your dashboard should I say, which is absolutely brilliant. But I'm not going to, it comes like a sticky pad on back so you can permanently mount it, but I'm going to be using this in the car as well as in the motorhome with the trailer. So what I'm going to do is I've got 4 little holes and 4 little pinholes, so I can just get that sort of balance on me dashboard, if you like. 2 cameras, as you do. You got your antennas for your cameras, so these basically, you just take these out, seconds to install. You get it, you just put it on, happy days. Screw that on, and job is a good one. And that's it, that's that one done. Job is a good one. So you get 2 of those. You also get your antenna for the screen. So 2 little stubby antennas, 2 of these little babies, can you see them? Really good. Again, all you do is you screw them. Can you see that there? Look, all you do, screw them to the top, and that is it. So it'll pick your cameras up. Absolutely fantastic. I'll show it you in action in a little while. Then you get your standard stuff like your screws, your nuts, your little Allen key, lots of different screws for lots of different applications, extension cables, charger cables. Absolutely brilliant. So they come with absolutely everything that you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power the screen up now, and I'll show you just how easy it is for them to connect. So I've got them plugged in, as you can see behind me. They're just up here, look, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. All I was doing, I've just got it plugged into a normal USB instead of the one on my dashboard, so I can show you properly. If you look down in this camera view here, as you can see, both cameras are now on. Over here, look, you've got camera 1 and camera 2. We've also got, on the back here, you've got some mode buttons as well, up and down. You can change all your dates and times and things like that. So we've got this camera here, this camera there, happy days. Hope you can pick that up all right. If you press the mode button, it also changes your camera view. So camera 1 there, look, so this has got, I've got this set up with the reverse lights on. I don't know if you can pick that up on the screen, you know, for your little reversing sensors sort of thing, so your grid, that comes on both cameras, but you can turn it on and off as you want it, so that's absolutely brilliant. If you press your other one, which you'll see channel 2, as you can see, that's the other camera, that's that one, hello, and that, I've just got that set up normal. The reason for that is I've got loads and loads of different applications that I'm going to be using it for. So for example, I'm not just going to leave it on back of motorhome. I'm going to use it in the car, on the motorhome and on the trailer, and a combination of all 3. Plus, when you saw how tight it was at the beginning of the video for the motorhome, the good thing about this being magnetic, I'm actually going to stick one to the back or the front of the garage door as well as I'm reversing. And you can see now that as I'm reversing, it just gives me a clear view of the back of the motorhome or the trailer, just showing me how close it is when I'm reversing. So that's another thing you can do. It's absolutely so versatile, it's brilliant. We've also got it when we're reversing the car and the trailer. So on the front, I've got another little bit of a drive on the front here, as you can see. When I'm putting the trailer on there to load it or unload it, it's so tight and difficult, as you can see with the car. But I can put it on the back of the trailer, so I can see the back of the trailer reversing up. I can use it when I'm towing forwards and going through towns and things like that. So it's absolutely brilliant. So as you can see, it's so versatile, you can stick it up absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to be using this in lots and lots of situations. When I'm reversing the motorhome, when I'm reversing the motorhome with the trailer, because as you see, you can't see the trailer whatsoever behind the trailer when it's on the motorhome. When the trailer is on the car, absolutely loads and loads of different applications. So that is absolutely brilliant. So what other applications I'm going to be using it for as well when it's inside the trailer is, because there are 2, I can use one when I'm towing the trailer, as you'll see here. There's one on the trailer on the rear for the rear view, but also the second one I'm going to put inside the trailer so I can see the load. As you can see here, I can keep an eye on the load on the motorbike when it's all in there, make sure nothing's moving about and falling around. Absolutely fantastic, so versatile. So that's it, boys and girls. That's the Auto-Vox S5 Solar. Absolutely brilliant. All the links are in the description, along with discount codes and things like that. If you're wanting some of these, if you've got a motorhome, a caravan, a trailer, a boat trailer, anything at all, you're struggling to reverse, these things are absolutely invaluable. As you see, they're so versatile. Plug, play, away you go. You're up and running in seconds, and they're absolutely brilliant. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.